continuing progress with late-stage products to which we have substantial financial rights. These products include duraplidib for cardiovascular disease. Now let's move to raxibacumab, which we are developing under a contract with the U.S. government. In July 2009, the U.S. government exercised its option to purchase an additional 45,000 doses of raxibacumab for the strategic stockpile, with delivery to be completed over a 3-year period. We expect to receive approximately $142 million from this second award as deliveries are completed, including approximately $51 million received in 2010. We also believe there is potential for additional orders for raxibacumab as we move forward. We also look forward, as I mentioned, to GSK's continuing progress with late-stage products to which we have substantial financial rights, including duraplidib for cardiovascular disease. 2 phase 3 trials of duraplidib involving approximately 27,000 patients are currently ongoing, and it could offer a new approach to reducing the risk of cardiovascular events. Duraplidib was discovered by GSK based on HGS technology. We are entitled to a 10% royalty on worldwide sales if duraplidib is commercialized, and we have a 20% co-promote option in North America and in Europe. In February of 2009, GSK initiated phase 3 development of albiglutide, a product that used to be called Syncria, for long-term treatment of type 2 diabetes, and 8 phase 3 trials are currently ongoing. Albiglutide is a novel acting form of GLP-1, glucagon peptide 1, created by HGS using our proprietary albumin fusion technology and out-licensed from HGS to GSK in the fall of 2004. If albiglutide is commercialized, fees and milestone payments could amount to as much as $183 million, including $33 million already received, in addition to net royalties in the mid-single-digit range. So these GSK products represent terrific opportunities for HGS. HGS has pioneered the development of highly targeted antibody therapies for cancer based on the trail apoptosis pathway. We have added the opportunity to develop and commercialize a novel class of small molecules, IAP inhibitors, that also enhance apoptosis in cancer cells. This gives us 2 different approaches targeting different points in the same pathway. HGS ended 2010 with approximately $900 million to $950 million of cash in the bank. A strong cash position is absolutely essential to our ability to commercialize newly approved drugs such as Benlysta, and at the same time continue to invest in our early-stage pipeline, and we intend to do both. So to sum up, we have a potential blockbuster product in Benlysta, and we are ready and able to commercialize it as soon as we receive FDA approval. We have the infrastructure in place, including state-of-the-art manufacturing and process development capabilities. We have completed our commercial build-out in the U.S. and are making excellent progress in establishing a European presence. We have a world-class partner in GlaxoSmithKline with the experience and expertise, the distribution capabilities, the financial and human resources to help us realize the full therapeutic and commercial promise of Benlysta. We have a pipeline with high potential to fuel sustainable growth into the future. We have a strong cash position. We have a seasoned leadership team and employees who are passionate and extremely capable. We're ready to enter the marketplace, and we are certainly ready to deliver ongoing value. Thank you all for your interest. I finished a couple of minutes ahead of time, so I'm happy to take a couple of questions as I step down here. Thank you very much.
Yes, that's it.
Excuse me, we're going to have some questions. Please don't interrupt.
You're not going to be able to.
We have just gone through the complete history of what Human Genome has to offer people who suffer in the lupus disease. The most important thing, though, that I find that is remarkable about this company for people is that they're working in other phase 3 trials, as he said, that it goes way beyond just that one community of people that suffer from there, but the breakthrough of this particular HGS technology is going to be very well welcomed in the medical community. And what I can say is they've already been doing a lot of hiring. We've heard what the man is to say. And outside of that, I would like to conclude with it for now, MMTs, is that Wall Street, the public perception, the people that have manipulated the stock when they got a 13-2 approval, now we're going up on March 10th of 2011 approval. And let me tell you something. We hope that the FDA has done their due diligence to protect the safety of humanity, then therefore would warrant immediate approval, and the treatment process would take place for those who suffer with this chronic disease that we have gone over 5 decades, over 50 years, without people having any relief, any kind of really good treatment. The only ones that I know of were the ones that were in the free trial, who had testified before the committee and was given that 13-2 approval, that those people stood up right there in front of those 17 doctor review panel, whatever it was that day. We were involved with it. We've been involved with the company for a number of years. And it's their hard work, it's their expertise that's well deserved. So once again, what Wall Street has done is, as far as I'm concerned, this company has not had its day in the pricing world of Wall Street, meaning that we feel that with that approval and forward looking of other things coming to pipeline to humanity, is that they deserve a much higher multiple that would put them in a much larger market cap bracket in the actual indexes that they trade in as far as the biotech sector goes, and that after all of these years of long and hard work, that there is a payoff to the people who suffer from chronic disease. And we will end it today with the glory of treatment for those who suffer.